Hello and welcome to Florida. Thank you for booking with us. We are delighted to host you. Here is a quick guide on how to use the Jeep Wrangler.
Uconnect phone, ready.
Device pairing.
Do you want to pair a device, delete a device, or list paired devices?
Pair device.
Refer to www.uconnectphone.com for a list of supported Bluetooth devices. Please say a 4-digit PIN number.
1, 2, 3, 4.
PIN code 1234. Is this correct?
Yes.
Please say the name of the device after the beep.
My phone.
Adding.
My phone.
Is this correct?
Yes.
Assign a priority level between 1 and 7. 1 is the highest priority.
1. My phone.
Set to priority 1. Is this correct?
Yes.
Start pairing procedure on device.
Go to your phone. Typically in the settings or the tools, you'll find the Bluetooth. Click on Bluetooth. Make sure that it is on. So there it is, you connect. Click on that. Press paired.
Pairing complete.
My phone.
Is connected. Ready.